In this video, we are going to see how we can round the mail merge figures or any kind of numbers to 2 decimal places. So here we have attached this mail merge all fields. We have just customized this email. We have linked the name. We have linked the billed amount, and we have linked the due amount as well. If we click on preview results, the first one is fine. But if we click on the next one, a couple of them have some problem that they are showing a lot of decimal places, and that's a problem. What we need to do is we can just toggle the backend fields so that we can individually customize that. Hold the alternate key and press F9 so that we can see the backend merge fields where we need to make the changes. Now just remember, I'll just mention it here. We need to add this functionality. \# means whatever is the number. Give a space, open the quotations. Just don't put the single quotations like this. Mention always double quotation. Hold the shift key and then press double quote. And right here 0.00. That means it should be limited to 2 decimal places, and close it. Now we will just simply copy or cut that from here, and we will put that at the end of this billed amount. Make sure it is pasted before the bracket is closed. So bracket is closing afterwards. Just don't change any setting or alignment, whatever. If it goes on the second line, that's fine. But you just need to make sure that you always paste it after the billed amount. Put a space, paste it, and that's it. Then press alternate F9 to hide it and see if this works for everything or not. As you can see, it is now limited to 2 decimal places, and it is not showing many decimals like before. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.